Okay, back working on the Acura 3.0 CL 99 model. Today we're going to do a transmission drain and fill. So you just drop the transmission fluid and fill her back up. When you do that service on this particular Acura or Honda, it drops 3 liters. So we are going to drop the 3 liters and replace it with this Motul ATF6. This one has the proper specs for this transmission. And because this car is a bit older and shifts a bit rough, we're going to add some of this seafoam trans tune at the same time. So before you drop the fluid, you want to make sure you can get the fill plug out. You can see, so this is the engine bay. If you have a stock airbox, it'll be here. You see this plug right where my finger is. It says ATF on it. You're going to want to loosen that first. And that is a 17 mil. So let's try that out. It's pretty tight, so make sure you have a big wrench or breaker bar. Oh, jeez, she is tight. Oh, there you go. See, it's coming out. Apologize, it's a bit tight in here. And here's the plug, and don't forget there's a low crush washer on it. Now for the bottom, it's going to be this plug right here, and that just fits your 3/8 ratchet end on it, so that's what we're going to do. Now some ratchet heads might not fit in here. If you need to use an extension, just be careful. I think mine is in, so I'm just going to use a little dead blow to try and give me some leverage on it. There we go. Get some light here for you. Okay. Should all drain out now. This also has a washer, crush washer on it. Oh jeez. Yeah, came out a lot faster than I thought it would. Okay, I'll let that drain. So the drain plug is also a magnet, so make sure you clean it real well before you put it back in. Okay, so I bought this long funnel. See here, just get that into the hole. I've already tightened the drain plug. Now let's pour all the transmission fluid in. Start with the seafoam trans tune. And now the Motul products. It's nice, the cap opens up like this if you're in a tight spot. Yeah, this fluid is very red compared to what came out. It was like brown, dirty looking. So this transmission takes 9 liters in total, so you could flush this 3 times to get it all fresh fluid, which I think I'll do one more time at least after this. Okay, take the funnel out. Get that drain plug back in. Just don't forget the crush washer and thread it in by hand to begin. And this car is so old, I don't have a book on, well, not so old, I guess, 99, but I don't know the exact torque spec for this, so just gonna put her the old good and tight. Okay, now we're gonna start her up. And what you want to do is put it through all the gears, make sure all the fluid gets everywhere. Now I'm going to let that sit and park for a bit, let it warm up. I'll probably go through the gears a couple more times, then we'll check the fluid. All the way down here beside the battery is the transmission fluid dipstick. Okay, to properly check the transmission fluid level, the engine and transmission have to be at operating temp, and then turn it off and let it sit for 60 seconds. And then pull the dipstick and see where it is. So the really thick spot seems to be just on the bottom there. Looks like I can add about half a liter in. So that's what we're gonna do.